First, right after you signing in to your TurboTax online account, you want to click on Tax Home button, then hit the Personal Info section, and click on Continue button or any other button that states to work on your taxes. Before you start switching your product, you got to know what product or plan you are currently use. To check on it, you can just see the top left of your screen. Basically, there are two main products or plan, the Do-It-Yourself product and the Expert Assist product. The Do-It-Yourself product will be divided into Free Edition, Deluxe, and Premium, whereas the Expert Assist will be divided into Basic, Deluxe, Premium, and Expert Full Service. You may choose if you want to upgrade or downgrade your product in your favor. Make sure it's suitable enough for you. And then to do it, you want to go to the bottom left of your screen and click on Switch Product button. You may start to either upgrade your plan to make it more expensive, but you can get more benefit to your liking, or you may downgrade the plan to hopefully get to filing your taxes for free on TurboTax. We'll cover the upgrade version first. You can click right here on Upgrade. Here, you may scroll down to decide which version you are more suitable. And then just click on this blue button on each version to change your product and plan, or you may click on Real Experts Help or Do It For You button besides it. Then change your plan according to your needs. To upgrade it, click on this blue button on each version to change your product and plan. And to downgrade your plan to Basic or Free, you may click right here on the Downgrade button at the bottom left of your screen, which will open up this page, and you may scroll down. Then, tap on Downgrade to Free Edition button, and there you go. You just saved some money on TurboTax. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.